The US has paused immigrant visa appointments worldwide. Applicants with scheduled interviews are being told their appointments will be rescheduled. But there is no timeline yet for when normal scheduling will resume. So why is the US doing this? The State Department says it is conducting a global training program for consular officers. The focus is on strengthening how officers assess visa applicants, including whether someone could become a quote-unquote public charge, essentially someone likely to depend on government assistance. The department says the training will help officers apply these assessments more comprehensively and consistently. For applicants, however, that means more uncertainty and potentially longer waits. The pause comes amid a wider tightening of US immigration policy. Since last year, the administration has required immigrant visa applicants to generally process their applications in their country of citizenship. The latest pause also comes just a day after the administration proposed a $103,265 fee for every CAP subject H-1B petition on top of existing filing fees. The H-1B allows US companies to employ skilled workers from abroad. So scrutiny is increasing across different parts of the US visa system, while costs could also rise for some skilled worker visas. Trump's immigration policies have also faced legal challenges. Just last week, a federal judge struck down an earlier policy that had suspended immigrant visa processing for applicants from 75 low-income countries. So the latest pause comes amid a much broader tightening of US immigration and visa rules. But for immigrant visa applicants, the immediate concern is simpler. Their interviews are on hold and there is no timeline yet for when appointments will resume. Follow Business Standard for more stories.